Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to claim your Spotify for artist profile. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you actually have one or two songs distributed to all streaming platform for you to be able to claim your Spotify for artist profile. So if you know you haven't distributed your music yet to all streaming platform, you could actually use sites like DistroKey, TuneCore, CD Baby. I'm actually going to be leaving the links to this platform in the video description below, and also we could also help you distribute your music because we also run a music distribution company called Nation Digital. So you could actually distribute your music with us for just $2. So if you know you're actually interested in that, I'm going to be leaving our contact info on the screen, and also you can also check out the link in the video description. Get in touch with us. So right now I'm going to assume you already distributed your music to all streaming platforms. So the next thing you need to do is to actually head over to your Chrome browser and type in artist.spotify.com. So once you actually type in that, it's actually going to take you straight to this website. So you can see right here you could claim your Spotify for artist account. So you need to actually select if you know you're an artist or a manager. So if you know you're a label who would like to claim user artist profile, you could actually just select that. So for me, I'm actually going to be selecting artist/manager. So it's actually going to take you straight to this page. As before I actually forget, you need to make sure you have a Spotify account before you are able to do this. So they're going to ask you to log in using that Spotify account. But if you know you do not have a Spotify account, you could just create one for yourself right now by clicking on the sign up button. So once you actually sign in using your email address, just click on agree with their terms and conditions. Then once you're done with that, just click on sign up. So that is for those of you that does not have a Spotify account. Once you already created a Spotify account, you'll be able to claim your Spotify artist account. So all you need to do is just click on continue. So once you click on continue right now, just click on next. So once you click on next right now, then this is where you're actually going to be searching for your artist name. So if in case you can't find your artist name, all you need to do is to just head over to your Spotify account, then copy your Spotify link and just paste it here. So right now I'm going to be searching for my artist name, which is a white vibe. So let's just search for that and see if it pops up. So you guys could see right here that this is my artist name. I already claimed my profile before. So all you need to do is to just click on the profile you want to claim. Then once you click on the profile you want to claim right now, so you guys could see right here they said the profile has been claimed. But if the profile has not been claimed, you'll be able to claim the Spotify for artist profile. So that is just how you could claim your Spotify for artist profile. So guys, if you know you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button. Time I drop awesome video like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified, because my channel is all about teaching artists how to make money from their music, and also I also work artists through how they could actually grow and everything about the music business in general. So if you know that is something that interests you, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video with your artist friends that needs to see this video. So guys, if you know you want to learn how you could promote your music for free without actually paying a dime, you could actually just click on the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in the video.